Welcome back to Car Vix. Today we're diving into one of the wildest and most extreme concept-style motorhome trucks ever imagined. The 2026 Toyota TanderBone 12x12 motorhome. A machine built for people who think a normal RV is just too small and a regular truck is just too basic. This massive 12-wheel, all-terrain motorhome blends heavy-duty truck DNA with luxury expedition living, creating a rolling fortress that looks ready for deserts, mountains, snow, and deep forest trails all at once. From the first look, the TanderBone stands out with its armored-style front fascia, oversized grille, stacked LED lighting, reinforced bumpers, and a stretched multi-axle body that supports a fully integrated luxury living module at the rear. The height and ground clearance are huge, the tires are off-road military grade, and the body uses lightweight composite panels so it stays strong without becoming impossibly heavy under the hood. The 2026 Toyota TanderBone 12x12 motorhome is imagined with a high-output twin-turbo diesel V8 paired with an electric assist hybrid system, producing around 650 horsepower and massive torque designed more for pulling and climbing than racing. Power is sent through a heavy-duty automatic transmission into a smart torque vectoring 12x12 drive system that can distribute power to each axle depending on terrain. This gives it incredible traction on sand, mud, rocks, and snow. Adaptive air suspension keeps the ride stable and lets the driver raise or lower the vehicle depending on conditions. Even with its size, advanced steering assist on multiple axles helps reduce turning radius, making it more manageable than you'd expect. The motorhome module includes slide-out sections, solar roof panels, battery storage, water recycling, and a smart control system that manages energy and climate automatically. When it comes to speed, this giant is not built to be a racer, but it's surprisingly capable for its class. The projected top speed sits around 140 kilometers per hour, while the real strength is steady highway cruising and unstoppable off-road crawling. It can maintain strong uphill speeds even with full load, and the electric boost helps deliver instant torque at low RPM, which is perfect for trail driving and technical terrain. Despite the size, cabin insulation, active damping, and noise control make the driving experience smooth and quiet, feeling more like a luxury SUV than a heavy expedition truck from inside the cockpit. Inside, the living space feels like a premium apartment on wheels with a full bedroom, compact garage space, smart kitchen, digital control walls, satellite connectivity, and panoramic armored windows. Everything can be controlled from a central touchscreen or a mobile app, from lighting and temperature to security and leveling systems. Safety features include 360-degree cameras, terrain radar, collision assist, and autonomous low-speed maneuver support. Talking about price, a vehicle this extreme would sit in the ultra-luxury expedition category with an expected starting price around $1.2 to $1.6 million depending on customization, interior grade and off-grid equipment packages, fully loaded versions with expedition armor, extended range tanks, and premium interiors could go even higher. The 2026 Toyota TanderBone 12x12 motorhome is not for everyone, but that's exactly the point. It's built for explorers who want maximum presence, maximum capability, and maximum independence in one rolling mega machine. If you want a motorhome that can go almost anywhere and still feel like a luxury suite, this concept takes things to a whole new level. Let me know what you think about this 12x12 monster, and stay tuned to Car Vix for more extreme vehicles and future mobility legends.